Hello, friends. Your friend Vince Burlapp here. I first saw the Kia EV9 as a concept at the auto show a couple of years ago, back when I was much younger. It was a weird, toy-like, big electric SUV, quite disturbing to look at from some angles. Kind of like my neighbor, Carl. This year, we take a look at the production version of the Kia EV9, the one you can actually buy now, and it is still a bit strange looking, and reminiscent of a Tonka toy or a huge Lego set weirdly put together by people from another planet. At least it's original, I guess. There are lots of lights everywhere. It could be Christmas every day with the big Kia, who knows? And a copious amount of shiny black plastic far and wide. Inside, the steering wheel is telling you you're driving a Kia, just in case, and that the doors are open. It seems all that shiny black plastic from the outside has traveled inside and become gray. The cloth on the dash is a nice touch. Otherwise, things are pretty conventional, and again, very gray, like most of my inner thought. There is a huge console between the seats, but cargo space is almost non-existent. It seems like such a waste of space, a bit like all these VHS tapes I keep around, just in case. Unlike many modern EVs, the Kia EV9 does not have a glass roof. Instead, it has two sunroofs, almost old-fashioned these days. Here is that cloth again, which should actually cover the seats instead of dead animal skin. The second row seat has an electric motor to move it out of the way in order to access the third row, except it is very, very slow. This means tough times ahead for the impatient type, like myself, and possible low-grade violence. Once back there, it's okay, but again, there is little space to get out. I predict very panicky passengers back there trying to get out and save themselves in a very vulgar and uncontrollable manner. It just makes you wonder, doesn't it, about yourself and the world around you. Would you fit back there? Who knows?